Good morning, Rabotai. Yesterday we were speaking about some of the halachot, halacha lema'aseh, with regards to Shehiya, leaving food in an open flame, according to Maran, Rama, Minhag Sfaradim. In this case happens to be not like Maran. The question becomes with regards to a crockpot, leaving a cholent in a crockpot before Shabbat. Now, many poskim, including Gaon Chacham David Yosef, he writes in his Halacha Berurah that a crockpot, even though you can't see the heating element, but since a crockpot is a normal method of cooking during the week, right? Crockpots weren't invented for Jews. People use it, many goyim use it, so it's a regular method of cooking during the week. Therefore, a crockpot is considered an open flame. Now, once it's considered an open flame, it doesn't have a blech. So now, if a person wants to leave a cholent in the crockpot before Shabbat, this is especially a problem during the winter. Many times, like an hour or so before Shabbat, people put the ingredients in the crockpot and they turn it on, and then it's not even a half cooked before Shabbat. That's a problem. You're not allowed to leave it on that way, even if it's for Shabbat morning, because over there, it's not even half cooked. Therefore, you can't even rely on the opinion of the Rama. You have to make sure, especially in the winter months, where the afternoon is very, very short, you have to make sure that you turn it on early enough that at least when Shabbat enters, it's at least half cooked, so then you'll be able to leave it on. If you want to put in a crock pot, if you want to put a cholent in a crock pot, when it's less than half cooked, you have to put a blech. How do you blech out a crock pot? Over there, either you take a blech, like an aluminum sheet, a hard aluminum sheet that is cut to size for the base of the crock pot, or you can take a few sheets of aluminum foil and line the inside, the base of the crock pot like that, in which case that's going to be considered a blech, and then in that way it's going to be considered garuf katum, and you can leave even a cholent that is less than half cooked before Shabbat, but otherwise you must make sure that at least it's half cooked. Now again, different cholents cook at different speeds, but it at least needs a few good hours to get half cooked. And then even though it gets better and better throughout Shabbat, at least according to the opinion of Hananiah, you'll be able to leave it on an open flame. Yom Tov.